In this video, as you can see on the title, I want to show you how you can renew your PCO license. A lot of people they asking me to make this video, so today I'm gonna make it. So everyone have to renew the license. You will get the notification from the TfL that this is the time to renew your application. So we will do in this video now. So you can do online, and the TfL will send you the application pack. You can do from there as well. So to do online is going to be quicker. So write TfL private hire, just write in Google and just go to the first link over here. You should have account because you are renewing it. You must have account. If you don't have it, you can create it. It's very simple and easy. So when you log in, it's going to should look like this. So you need to sign in now. So we're going to put your email and the password. So when you put your detail, they will ask you your security question. You put this question as well. So when you sign out, it's going to look like this. So you can view your license, view your application, and renew a license. So you will see the renew license. You're going to click on the renew license. So if you have a renewal due, then you can get that button. It's a renew license. If you is not renew, you will not be able to get that button. So they are saying the drivers must apply 4 months prior to your license expiry. Means if your license is expiring, let's say in April, then you must apply in December, at the end of December, 4 months before. Vehicle, you need 1 month. Okay, so we're gonna renew it. Click on the renew button. If your renew is not due, then you will not get this button. So when you click the renew button, so we have to now fill the form. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.